Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this master bedroom spring clean and refresh. I want to start off by apologizing. I have not had a video out in about 2 weeks, I think. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would already know that I had to have emergency gallbladder surgery last week. So that's been removed and I'm pretty much just have been dealing with that. I am feeling a lot better. I want to say thank you to everybody that reached out, sent me messages and texts and everything else. Thank you so much. You guys are the absolute best, but I've not really been able to do a whole lot. I'm not supposed to push or pull or lift or anything like that, and to be honest with you, I probably wasn't supposed to do any of this either, but I really have been just missing, creating for you guys and talking to you all, so I just wanted to jump in here and get some of this stuff done. I wasn't really able to do everything that I wanted to, like deep clean the carpet in here because that machine is a little on the heavy side and I knew that I really wasn't supposed to be using it. So I will get that done probably later next week. I would say I'll be able to, pretty much get back to regular duties by then. So I'm just going to go ahead and start here by taking down the old curtains. I did buy some new ones. They are lighter. They're almost a white. And after I get those taken down, I've also got the new ones in the washer. It's almost like I've forgotten how to do a voiceover. So you guys are going to have to just bear with me. But I also bought some new glass globes for the ceiling fan, and I also got some new sheets and bedspread. I know, imagine that, I bought a new bedspread, but I just wanted to kind of, do a little touch up in here, refresh some things, kind of give it like a new spring feel, and I really enjoy how this has all turned out. So after I've gotten these taken down, I also got some new curtain rods too. So we got those in there as well. But I'm going to get all of this stuff taken down, and the old drapes, curtains, whatever, and the old curtain rods I did wash, and I have all this packed up to go into the yard sale, or I'll probably either give them to my sister. She's actually getting a new apartment, so anything that she can use that I have, I'll just send over her way. But I wanted to go ahead and get these taken down while that stuff's in the washer. And so next I just went ahead and moved on to the ceiling fan. That way I could get those glass globes up there. I was so excited. These are like the old original frosted globes, and they're just outdated and disgusting. So I went ahead and used my pillowcase trick, and then I got the, what is it, Old English? No, that's malt liquor. What is that called? I can't remember. The furniture polish. I don't know. You guys know what I'm talking about. So I just got that on a microfiber cloth and went ahead and wiped everything else down. But these are the new ones that I got. They are like the little bubble glass. I got these at Walmart. They're like $6 and some change. I mean, $18 to revamp your entire fan. That's just a no-brainer for me, so I decided to get them for the bedroom, and I'm probably going to go ahead and redo the ones in the living room as well. But I loved how these turned out. They just look so much better. I mean, I don't know how people have lasted this long with those frosted glass bulbs. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get those changed out, and they're going to move on to the windows. Those were disgusting. Not as bad as the ones in the living room, but disgusting nonetheless.
go. All I need to know is wait for all systems go. I'm not letting anyone break it down. I keep it in my control. Put a pin in my map for anywhere else but here. Open up your front door, together we'll disappear. Wait for all systems go.
So with this window being behind the bed, there was no way on God's green earth that I was going to slide that bed out to get to these windows, but I was actually able to reach everything just fine. And again, I cannot say enough how much I appreciate these tilt-out windows. If you guys have them, you know exactly what I mean. But I also wanted to let you guys know, if you have not watched the other 2 episodes of my spring cleaning series, I will have those in the cards above as well as down in the description box. And the last thing I'm probably going to be doing for the series is my front porch, so definitely make sure you are sticking around for that if that's something that you're interested in. But I'm going to go ahead and start tackling this dust as well, and I also just went ahead and vacuumed off the top of the mattress just in case anything fell down from the fan or from the windows. This dust, I don't know where all this stuff is coming from, to be honest with you. Probably because we have our fans on a lot now, because it is a little bit warmer in Virginia at the moment. I'm loving it. Also, talking about weather, so we have not had our yard sale yet because we just haven't had a good weekend to do it, and then the whole gallbladder situation happened. So probably within the next couple of weeks that's going to go down, and if that is something that you're interested in seeing, I will film the whole thing. That's probably going to be on the vlog channel, so if you are not subscribed there, go on and head on over after this video and subscribe to the vlog channel. Again, that's going to be in the description too. I just think it's fun, and I cannot wait to see how that goes. We've got a ton of stuff, so I'm just super excited for all of that to go down.
Listen to us tears go by.
as you can see, the new sheets are very springy and very pretty. Now they are queen sized, but they're actually really big. I guess they're like for the big, deeper mattresses. But when I get bedspreads, I usually tend to go for a king size. That way the blanket is big enough, but that also means that the pillow shams are king size, and I definitely need to get some bigger pillows just for those shams because that's going to drive me absolutely bonkers if I don't. But I'm so excited on how this all came out, you guys. It just looks and feels so much better in here just with those small changes that I made with the bed, and as well as the little glass bulbs for the ceiling fan and the curtains as well. I was super excited to get those up. These are the ones that I went with, and I'm going to tell you what, for what I paid for those, they are not blackout curtains. I mean, you can see directly through them, and I'm kind of upset about it, to be honest with you, because I wanted them for the simple fact that Ruben does try to sleep during the day because, you know, he works second shift, and look how much light shines right directly through those curtains. I'm just kind of peeved, but I really didn't know it until after I had already, you know, washed them and everything. But we're going to go ahead and keep them. It's all good. It's fine. But I'm so glad that you guys came and hung out with me for a few minutes today. Thank you so incredibly much. I have missed you and I love you all. But make sure you stay tuned for the spring front porch video if that is something that you're interested in. But I'm going to go ahead and go for now. I love and appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Been waiting for, I bet.